In this video we will find the solution of x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So first we will write a standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then compare the coefficients of the variable. So here the coefficient of x square is a, and in the given equation the coefficient of x square is 1, so the value of a is 1. And here the coefficient of x is b, and in the given equation the coefficient of x is minus 2, so the value of b is minus 2, and the constant c is equal to minus 1. Now we use quadratic formula in order to solve this equation, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we can put the values of a, b and c over here. So first we will write minus and then put the value of b, which is minus 2. Then plus minus square root of b square. So we write square of minus 2 minus 4 times a. The value of a is 1, and then the value of c. The value of c is minus 1 upon 2a. Again we put the value 1 over here. So we have minus minus plus 2 plus minus square of minus 2 is 4, and minus minus plus, and 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. So we have 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 4 upon 2 times 1 is 2. So this will be equal to 2 plus minus square root of 8 upon 2. Now square root of 8 can be written as 2 square root of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and then this can be written as 2 square multiplied by 2 under root, and then we will apply square root on these two terms. So we have a square root of 2 square multiplied by square root of 2, and then square root and square can be cancelled, so we have 2 multiplied by square root of 2, and this can be written as 2 square root of 2. So we can put 2 square root of 2 in place of square root of 8. So we have 2 plus minus 2 square root of 2 upon 2, and then we can take 2 common, so we have 1 plus minus square root of 2 upon 2, and then we can cancel this 2 and this 2. So the value of x is 1 plus minus square root of 2, and this is the required answer. So we can say that the value of x is 1 plus square root of 2, or the value of x is 1 minus square root of 2. So there are two values of x.